Nana Konadu Yiadom III, the 98-year journey of Asantehemaa queen. Born in 1927, Nana Konadu Yiadom III came into the world at the Ben Yad Shrine in Meradane. For her humility, kindness, firmness, and sense of justice, she was also a devout and hard-working leader. In the mid-1990s, a prophecy from Kwaku Firi Bosamfo, relayed through Bafu Akoto, senior linguist, to the Asantehemaa, foretold she would one day be Queen of Asante, a prediction that came true. Her reign has been marked by generosity and advocacy. The Savior Church honored her by naming the Nana Konadu Savior School after her, recognizing her devotion to God's work. She earned a reputation for settling disputes with fairness, ensuring all parties left satisfied. On August 11, 2025, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehemaa, officially announced her passing during a meeting of the Asantehemaa Council. Addressing the chiefs and elders, the king shared the news of the death of the Asantehemaa, who was also his biological sister. In keeping with Asante tradition, the one-week observation will take place at the Manhaya Palace on Thursday, August 21st, 2025.